Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and studying at your home. We were on chapter number 8, Flying High, page number 54. Till here, we have read about different birds who were telling about themselves. Why is there so much noise in the jungle? I just cannot sleep. Here, a lazy bird owl is saying, why is there much noise in the jungle? He just cannot sleep. Dear owl, the birds are all praising themselves and shouting. Now, this bird is saying, Dear owl, the birds are all praising themselves and shouting. Here, the word praising means express one's respect and gratitude toward, and the word shouting means a loud cry. Next, we have the owl said, Stop this hullabulla. Why are you quarreling? We are all special in our own ways. Our claws, beaks, feathers, and sounds are different, yet we are all birds. If we all looked alike, ate the same food, and made the same sounds, think how dull the world would be. The owl is saying, Stop this hullabulla. Hullabulla means a situation in which many people are upset and angry about something. Why are you quarreling? Here the word quarreling means an angry argument. Owl is saying that all the birds are special in their own ways. Yes, all the birds are special. Their claws, beaks, feathers and sounds are different. Here the word claws means a curved pointed horny nail on each digit of foot in birds. And if all the birds look alike, ate the same food and make the same sound, how the dull word would be? Yes, if we all look alike and we all look the same, the word will be so boring. Yes. Moving next we have, which of the birds mentioned in the lesson have you seen? Write their names. So here you have to write the names of the bird which you have seen that are mentioned in the lesson. First is crow, sparrow, cuckoo, peacock, eagle, parrot, pigeon, vulture. Next we have, now go outside and look for birds. On trees and water, on the ground, in and around bushes. How many birds could you see? So the answer is, you have to make two columns, place and number of birds which you have seen on trees, that are 10, and in water, that are 8, and on the ground, that are 7, and then around the bushes are 5. What do you mean by bushes? Bushes are the small shrubs with medium height. Next we have is, in the table write the names of birds and tick the place where you saw them. If you do not know the names of any bird, then write how you could know it. Okay, basically you have been given a table on page number 55. You have to name the bird, write the name of the bird, and you have to tick the place where you have seen that bird. Basically this is the table given on page number 55, where you can see you have to write the name of the bird first, then you have to write where you saw it. Okay, that like in water, on the tree, on the ground, in the house, or flying. So the answer is, first the name of the bird is crow. Where you have seen it? You have seen it on the tree and as well as flying. Second is pigeon. Where you have seen it? On the tree, on the ground, in the house, and as well as flying. Third is duck. You have seen this bird in water. Next is crane. Crane, you have seen it in the water, on the tree, and flying. Next is parrot. Parrot you have seen on the tree and flying. Next is hen. Hen you have seen on the ground and in the house. Last is vulture. Vulture you have seen on the ground. Now you all be wondering about what is crane. So let me show you the picture of crane. This bird is known as crane. Next we have you ever noticed that different birds have different types of beaks? Yes. What do you mean by beaks? Beaks are the bill of the bird. Okay, in Hindi it is known as chonch. So yes, the different birds have different types of beaks. Given below are pictures of beaks of birds. Look at them carefully, identify the birds and write their names. Children, you have to look carefully the beaks of the birds and you have to identify the birds. So the first one is parrot. Second is crow. Third is peacock. And the next on page number 56 we have the bird is eagle. And the last is crane. In the blank space, draw a picture of the beak of some other bird, color it and write its name. Next we have, just as birds have different types of beaks, they also eat different types of food. While some eat fruits, some eat seeds, some eat eggs, while others eat fish. Students, let us read about the different types of beaks these birds have. So the first one is parrot. Parrot have a short curved beak with a specialized tip for extracting the edible part of seeds. Okay, the curved means to bend. So the parrot is having a curved beak. Next is crow. Crows have versatile beaks that helps them consume a variety of food material like fruits, seeds, insects, fish and other small animals. The word versatile means have very different uses. So basically crow have a versatile beak as that help them to consume the variety of food material. Next we have peacock. Peacocks have short, thick and conical beaks. This type of beak helps them in cracking seeds and nuts for food easily. So the beak of peacock helps them to crack seeds and nuts for the food. Next is eagle. Eagle have powerful hooked beaks for tearing flesh from their prey. Obviously eagle eat flesh, so it will be having a powerful hooked beaks. And the last we have is crane. Crane have sharp and pointy beaks they use for catching food. And as you can see, the beak of the crane is sharp and pointy beak and that they use for catching food. So these are the different types of beaks different types of birds have. That's all for this video. Bye bye students.